There are numerous items accessible to electric fans, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best electric fans from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Honeywell HT900 Turbo Force Air. Honeywell's Turbo Force line of followers have an aerodynamic turbo designed to maximize air motion, providing the facility for intense cooling or vitality-saving air circulation. The benefit of a small fan with energy you'll be able to really feel from 27 feet away. Utilizing followers for air circulation in your house may help enhance your consolation and assist cut back vitality prices as effectively. Honeywell carries a variety of tower followers, ground followers, and oscillating followers. Discover one for each room in the home. 185 CFM for optimum consolation. The proper fan helps cool you off and improves airflow in your room or dwelling. Give your air conditioner and pockets a break by utilizing followers to assist cut back your vitality consumption and prices. Honeywell carries a wide range of followers to fulfill your private home wants. The Honeywell Turbo Pressure Air Circulator Fan has 3 speeds and a 90 diploma pivoting head. This quiet fan is compact, sufficient for on a desk or wall mount, and highly effective, sufficient to assist present comfy cooling in small medium rooms. Number 2. Lasko Portable Electric. The 42 inches Lasko Wind Curve Tower Fan has a slim and durable design, matches superbly into any dwelling or workplace decor, offering all-day cooling consolation. Transportable and easy to assemble at solely 15.5 pounds, this tower fan has a molded deal with. Whereas different followers promote 90 levels of oscillation, we designed the 42 inches Lasko Wind Curve Tower Fan with the proper quantity of oscillation, taking much less time for the fan to oscillate, so that you get to really feel extra of the breeze. Designed and engineered within the USA, backed by our 1-year producer's guarantee, Lasko has greater than 115 years of American design and manufacturing expertise, constructing high-quality, ETL, dependable followers to maintain you cool at dwelling. The 42 inches Lasko Wind Curve Tower Fan has a 7.5-hour timer for straightforward on, off in the course of the day or night time. The D31 quiet nighttime setting routinely dims the LED and reduces pace, so you'll be able to sleep peacefully and keep cool. The 42 inches Lasko Wind Curve Tower Family Fan produces air circulate at 1,143 feet, divided by min to maintain you cool all day and night time. With 3 adjustable speeds and a distant management, this tower fan is ideal for big rooms, bedrooms, and places of work. Number 3. Honeywell HYF 260 Quiet Set Whole Room Tower Fan. The Honeywell Quiet Set Tower Fan offers highly effective entire room cooling with quiet operation, oscillation, and computerized shut-off timer. 5 ranges of sound and energy settings allow you to select what's finest on your setting. Management panel dimming characteristic, 5 lighting picks. Utilizing followers for air circulation in your house may help improve your consolation and assist cut back vitality prices as effectively. Honeywell carries a variety of tower followers, ground followers, and oscillating followers. Discover one for each room in the home. Honeywell's Quiet Set line of followers are quiet and highly effective, so you will really feel the fan's cooling energy with much less sound. The proper fan helps cool you off and improves airflow in your room or dwelling. Give your air conditioner and pockets a break by utilizing followers to assist cut back your vitality consumption and prices. Honeywell carries a wide range of followers to fulfill your private home wants. Assist enhance air circulation and vitality financial savings in your house, bedroom, or workplace with Honeywell followers. 5 pace settings to regulate to your private sound and cooling energy preferences. Number 4. Drio Nomad 1 Tower Fan with Remote. 9-tidal oscillation and calibrated airflow path permit this oscillating fan to cool extra areas within the room. Mix along with your cooling air conditioner to chop cooling prices throughout sizzling days. Drio's all-in-one airflow system combines with a supercharged electrical motor, delivering high-speed, brisk cool. This 36 inches compact tower fan enlivens each inch of air in your dwelling area quick at as much as 24 feet per second. Get pleasure from all-day serenity and luxury, enabled by its algorithmic impeller design and the magical Kanata impact. Together with Show Auto Off, Auto Mute and Sleep Mode, 8H timer, and soothing airflow, you'll be able to all the time get a restful sleep every time you want it. Detachable rear grille and impeller wheel make cleansing extra accessible. Designed with fingertip pinch-proof grills, a fuse plug and built-in circuit safety, this ETL-listed tower fan ensures security is all the time prioritized. With a compact design and a hidden deal width, you'll be able to simply retailer the distance within the built-in compartment and carry this slim fan to your bedroom, lounge, or elsewhere. An ideal alternative for dwelling and workplace. Number 5. Black Plus Decker 16 Stand Fan with Remote. To fit your particular cooling wants, you'll be able to change the peak of this stand fan and alter the vertical angle to flow into air upwards or downwards. Weighing lower than 10 pounds, it's simple to maneuver from room to room. The 3 pace settings are adjusted shortly and merely proper from the LED management show panel or distant management. Customize the airflow precisely the best way you prefer it at dwelling or work. Non-compulsory 90-degree oscillation offers evenly distributed airflow, and an auto timer shuts the fan off for as much as 7.5 hours to save lots of vitality. This get-up fan rests on the ground and creates quick cooling in medium to giant rooms of the house like bedrooms, places of work, garages, RVs, and dorms. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.